I'm not a doctor, but I found a way to deflate my Eustachian tube. I say deflate my Eustachian tubes because of that air fullness that we feel from these vestibular migraines or the vertigo or whatever's happening to your ears that's causing other symptoms. If the air fullness is part of those symptoms, it's just the worst. The air fullness, it feels like the barometric pressure might be affecting it even more when the weather is shifting. Foods we eating, when we get if we get food triggers, whatever's causing our chronic migraine case causes our ears to feel full, or the ears are actually causing more migraines, or vice versa, because head and ears are connected through blood vessels. Vertigo is just a symptom. We get dizzy for all kinds of reasons. Obviously, if we're getting air fullness and Eustachian tube dysfunction, we want to take care of that so we have less dizziness and less migraines that cause dizziness. So let's go and check this out. A little combination of things that I put together that I realized work for me. And I'm not a doctor, but I figured it all out that after I would fill up my bathroom with steam, when all I do is turn on the hot water in my shower and leave it on hot, close the door, and look, a nice steamy bathroom. As you can see, the mirror's all foggy behind me, and I sit here for a while. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. My ears now, the steam, which is like a mist of warm water that's in the air, is going into actually your Eustachian tubes, and your inner ears are feeling more relaxed and moist. So you're gonna sit here. You're taking a hot shower in general, a hot bath, or anything. Okay, don't burn yourself, obviously. Turn it off. It's a steam room. Get yourself some saline. Okay, saline. Again, this is over the counter. I'm not a doctor. Don't use it all the time. It's going to walk slow. Okay? By the way, I have no more dizziness and no more... I got tips and tricks. Of course, I eliminated all my dizziness and vertigo from my taking care of my ears and my vestibular system. Saline, after you got out of the steam bathroom, after you came from a steam bathroom, use the saline. Now, I'd like to do the upside down droplets in each nostril. Kind of go like that, breathe in. Went like that between the steam, the cool air, the saline that went into your nose. Now, Eustachian tubes are connected from the nose, in the top of the nose, and into the inner ear. Canals are connected where the saline has now penetrated. Let it sit there. That's why I like to do the upside down ones. Try it after a steam room, and then, very important, right after you put the saline in, get to a pole or something, anything nearby in your house or outside. Do this preferably outside, because now the fresh air is now opening up my ears after going from steam to cool fresh air, or in general just fresh air. The Eustachian tubes are now opening up from the oxygen, and you grab something outside. We're going to do now a stretch. So, a couple of minutes, like 2 more minutes, and your ears are definitely going to be open. Grab a pole and stretch your neck like you're kind of nodding. Nodding to the side. And stretch the other one. You're going to feel your tube open right up. Kind of nodding like, you see this? Stretch. Kind of nodding towards your deltoid, which is the shoulders. There's lots of muscles in our neck and head, and everything just got stretched out, which the ears are attached to. Also the muscles in the ears, including the Eustachian tube, have just, everything is moving now from the stretches, and now, as you could see, as you could feel, your ears have opened up. Now if you want to open them up even more and actually get rid of your migraine in the process, this is called occipital lips. I do this maybe for another minute. So the whole process is 5 minutes. Here's the last minute. I'll do some of these now. I got this from a chiropractor. I learned this. This sometimes takes away people's headaches instantly, but it opens up the Eustachian tubes, which is really what we're trying to accomplish today, which is even better. Let me just place my phone down here. Place your thumb where your neck muscles are, which are the sides of your neck. These are the ones that are connecting to everything that we talked about. So your hands should now be, your pinkies should be sort of So your hands are behind your ears, your thumbs are on the sides of your necks. Pull up and down at this one's going up, this one's going down, and you're kind of like, you're relaxing the muscles. So you're letting your head get pulled. You might even feel crack in a nice relaxing manner, but you do have to use some shear force when you're pulling, but relax your muscles as you're pulling so you get a little crack from it. Hold your head and support your head carefully when you do this. You actually even might crack over there. Sometimes we get this cervigenic vertigo coming from our neck. So sometimes it has a lot to do with our neck muscles not being okay, especially from all the vertigo. We got even worse necks and trying to keep our head steady while we're trying to adjust it all the time during this rocking and swaying and feeling like we're on a boat, which a lot of us have those symptoms. So once your neck is loose, massage therapy helps too. That's why I gave you the occipital lift idea, and this is coming from a chiropractor who likes to get rid of, likes to ease Eustachian tube dysfunction with that, and it even helps with tinnitus, which is the ringing in the ears, because everything starts to relax. That's connected, that we talked about. It's getting dark out here now. Sorry I didn't do a video in a lighter, setting time of the day, but you got the idea. I hope it wasn't too much movement either with my phone, which will probably be making people dizzy. I apologize. Dim the lights on your phone, that helps too. Let's get rid of these vestibular migraines. To avoid food triggers and other ideas that have helped cure me completely, and of course medication might be needed, and I'm on a daily medication that was prescribed by a neurologist, which is in my bloodstream consistently. Between that and all these techniques, and avoiding the triggers, especially the food triggers, which was my problem, and keeping my ears nice and open, hey, I don't have any more symptoms. God bless. Subscribe. Check it out.